Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see reversal of FA and reversal of a language. So how to do a reversal of a language in TOC? So in reversal of a language we take every string from L. If your language is L, you take every string from L and reverse it. Okay, just take every string from L and reverse that string. So for example, A equal to set of all string starts with A and ends with B. So it is AB like A, B, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. See, every string starts with A, ends with B. Starts with A, ends with B. Starts with A, ends with B. See. So now reversal of that. Take every string, reverse BA, BBA, BA, 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 BA. 6. Now it got reversed. It starts with B, ends with A. Starts with B, ends with. So when you will do reversal of a language, so language will get reversed. Set of all string starts with B and ends with A. Similarly, we will construct for L the FA, and it is applicable for every kind of FA. So that's why I am here writing reversal of FA. Means you can apply in NFA also. So now we will construct a finite automata, means DFA for L. Now see, for this language we will construct a minimal DFA. So set of all strings starting with A and ends with B. Starting with A, then ends with B, accepted. Then again after getting any number of B, fine. If you are getting it, wait here. If you are starting with B, then reject it, get state. Any combination of A comma B, be there. So AB you have given, AB here also you given. Now this state will get A, it will come here. Now for this we have to now make the reversal. So in reversal what we have to do? We have to make initial state as final state. Initial state as final state and final state as initial state. See, we are doing the reverse. So that's why I am making final state as initial and initial as final, and rest will remain same. Okay. And if there is a transition, we will change the transition. See, here it was this state by getting it was going there, so I will change the transition like this. Now this state by getting it will go there, like it. And loop will remain same. Only the transition are going to change. So change the transition means reverse the transition like this. Loop will remain same. Loop will remain same. This is a reversal. So in reversal of a FA, we make initial state as final state and final state as initial state, and we reverse the transition and loop will remain same. Okay. So now if you see, reversal of a FA can be either NFA or DFA. This state by getting it's going here and it's going here also. So this is a NFA. Okay. So reversal of FA can either give us DFA or NFA. See, from this state by getting B, it's going here and it's also going. So from one state by getting one input, it is going more than one state. So that's why it is a NFA. Now from this state you can see you can't reach. This is like unreachable state. You can also remove that. Okay, you can even remove that. Now see the next example. It is saying that A equal to set of all string starts with A. So for that, first I will construct the FA. Then I will reverse it. Okay, so set of all string starts with A. It will contain A, B, any number of A, then A, B. So it starts with A. After that, it can have anything. Now its reverse will be, how to do the reversal? We will take each string from L and we will reverse it. So if you reverse A, you are going to get A only. AB, then BA, A, then triple A, then BA, BA. Now if you see, it is now ends with A. See, it is now ends with A. So if you, as I have told you, if you reverse the language, if you apply the reversal on a language, language will get reversed. So it is now set of all strings ends with A. Ends with A. Okay, so it is now set of all string ends with A. Now we will construct a FA. For this, starts with A. After that, it got A. Then after that, if you are getting any combination of A comma B, accept it. But if you are getting B, reject it, get state. If you reach this state, then after getting either A and B, be there. So for this state, I have given the transition of A and D. Here also AB, here also AB. Now, how to apply the reversal? Make initial state as final state and final state as initial state, and reverse all the transition, and loop will remain same. So here I am going to make this final state as initial state and initial state as final state, and reverse the transition, and loop will remain same. So after applying reversal. Now see, as I have told you, when you reverse FA, it can be either NFA or DFA. So this state by getting A, it's going to here and here also. Okay. So it's going to here and here also. NFA we will see. And it is now again unreachable state, because you from initial state you are never going to reach that state. Okay. So this is unreachable. So how to apply the reversal? So that the procedure I will now write, and you can note it down in your notebook. So write it down this in your notebook. To make a reversal of any language having automaton D1, we just make final state as initial state and initial state as final state, and if there are any edges, we have to reverse it, and loop will remain same. So if there are any edges, then we have to reverse it, and loop will remain same. So reversal of FA can be either NFA or DFA. Now here what I am doing, I am making final state as initial state. Now there can be chances that you can have more than one final state. Now if you are having more than one final state, what you have to make? First you have to convert multiple final state into one final state. What we will do, we will create one new final state, and we will make the previous all non-final state, all final state as non-final. So let me take the example. We now see, if you are having more than one final state, then how to convert. So I am taking one initial state. Now here by getting some input, it is going here, it is going here. Now again by getting something, it is going here. Now see, here you are having more than one final state. So you have to first convert more than one final state into one final state. How to do? You create a new final state, okay, in such a way that, see, these things are same. Just do, you create a new final state in such a way that by only getting epsilon from the previous final state, see, this previous final state you have to make non-final. Now from all this previous final state, by only getting epsilon, means like empty string, you should reach to the new final state. Now, so before applying reversal, you have to see that if you are having more than one final state, then you have to convert more than one final state into one final state. How? Make all the final state as non-final state and create a new final state in such a way that by only getting epsilon from the previous final state, you should reach the new final state.